Hello, my name is Nadia Strachan and I'm an interior design consultant. Now I can help you to change your story and change your life through interior design. I've produced a series of downloadable consultations which cost you less than $40 if you're in the US or £30 if you're in the UK or Europe. Okay, so please follow the link below to be able to find out more about that. That will lead you straight to the website and you're able to see a lot more consultations. This is an idea of the sort of things that you can realistically have in your home. This is something that I will take you through step by step. If you're really into DIY or you like to use a bit of DIY, a bit of trade, or you want to use just trade to do the whole thing, it doesn't matter. The videos and the detailed information and the printouts, all of this just for £30 or $40 will be yours today. Please go along to the website, follow the link below, and you can have this as your new start today. Thank you.